Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Black Forest pastry cake just like what you get in bakeries. It is a very simple and a yummy recipe. I'll give you all the exact ingredients list in the description box below so that it would be easier for you to take a snapshot. Come on, let's get started. To a bowl, I have added 3 eggs. I'm going to use an electric beater and beat it for 5 minutes. If you do not have one, you can use a hand whisk and beat it for 10 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar gradually, that is in batches, and beat it. And this is the consistency that we need. It is called ribbon consistency. We do not want stiff peaks. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of refined oil. Do not add any flavored oil. I'm going to beat it for 30 seconds. And now it's time to get all the dry ingredients ready. So to a sieve, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of maida. This is half a cup and this is 1/4 cup. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder. I'm going to sift it well and add it to the wet ingredient. Mix this well using cut and fold method. Do not over mix it. To this, I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of milk and mix it well again using cut and fold method. I have also preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now the batter is ready. I'm going to use an 8-inch square pan today. I have lined it using a baking sheet. Pour it carefully and I'm going to tap it for 2 or 3 times. And I'm going to place this inside the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And when this is getting ready, let's prepare the other ingredients that are required. I'm going to chop a few candied plums. You can take more or less according to your need. And now let's also get the sugar syrup ready. And in a pan, I have taken 3/4 cup of water, to which I'm adding half a cup of sugar. Also adding the chopped plums. Mix it well and leave it on the stove for around 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar gets dissolved. We do not want any consistency. Meanwhile, the cake is also done. I have taken it out and let it come to a room temperature. I'm going to place it on a wire rack. Now I have taken half a cup of whipping cream and I'm going to beat it into stiff peaks. You can use any brand of whipping cream or even powders. And now the cake is cooled down completely. I'm going to slice this into 3 pieces, that is 3 layers. Look at the texture, it's so soft and spongy. And now what we are going to do is, in between each layers, I'm going to apply some sugar syrup that we have prepared and apply some whipping cream. The whipping cream need not be perfect. I have just used a piping bag without any nozzles and I'm applying it. Maybe a thin layer, that should be fine. Spread it as much as you can. And now on top of this, I'm going to add the plums that we have added in the sugar syrup. Just place it wherever you feel like. If you want even more, you can add it. It is completely according to your preference. So we are going to repeat this for all 3 layers. So now comes the first layer, and to this layer, I'm going to apply sugar syrup and the whipping cream and not the plums. Instead of plums, we are going to add some grated chocolates. You can use dark chocolate or even milk chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate here. Now I'm going to cut the edges just to get a perfect shape. Wipe the knife before each and every cut so that it would be perfect. You can also dip the knife in hot water before you do this so that it would be easier as well. Now this is ready. I'm going to cut this into 6 pieces. That is in triangle shape, just like how we get in bakeries. I'm sorry, it's 8 pieces, right? And now on top of this, you can do any designs of or any piping designs of your choices. I'm just using the same piping bag without any nozzle, and I'm going to make a small swirl design. And on top of it, I'm going to place a cherry. This was so yummy, soft and moist. It was not at all dry as we have added sugar syrup. Do not skip sugar syrup. It gives moistness to the cake. So definitely give this a try. Trust me, it was so yummy. I would love to hear feedback from you guys. Do share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.